Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make YouTube an infinite craft. So let's get started. First of all, take fire and put it into field. Then take a water from elements and put it onto the fire. Now you get steam. Now take again fire and put it onto steam. Now you get engine. Now take engine from elements and put it on engine. Now you get rocket. Now take rocket from elements and put it on rocket. Now you get satellite. Now take water and put an empty field. Now again, take water from elements and put it into water. Now you get lake. Now take click and put it onto satellite. Now you get Google. Now take earth from the elements and put it into field. Now take water and put it onto earth. Now you get plant. Now take wind from the elements and put onto plant. Now you get dandelion. Now get dandelion from the elements and put it onto dandelion. Now you get dandelion patch. Now take wind from the elements and put it onto dandelion patch. Now you get seeds. Now take file from the element and put it onto seeds. Now you get popcorn. Now take earth from the elements and put it into field. Then take earth from the elements and put it onto earth. Now you get mountain. Now take mountain and put it onto popcorn. Now you get movie. Take movie and put it onto Google. Now you get YouTube. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.